Okay, it's a glorious day, and we are going to start a wonderful discussion. Our topic is water first. Okay, we are going to discuss about water. So I just would like to learn from you girls, beautiful girls. Then let me know, what do you know about water? Does anyone want to say about water, Afia?
Water, water is water is the other name of life because if there is no water, there is no life in the planet on the planet.
Asma, would you like to say something about water?
Um, Water is our life. We can't live without water. We should not waste water. If we waste water, then how we drink water? So,
Take it easy. Don't. Yes. What about you, Rehnuma?
Um, Water is alive. Drinking too much water can be kill and all living things. And water is a very most important in living things and animals and plants. And water is a very important.
I think you all don't. You don't seem to have taken your lunch. I think so, right? You need to be energized right now. You need to speak loudly and clearly. I think you can do it. So let me ask some specific questions. How many days can human beings survive without water? Who wants to answer this?
Human being can survive without water about 1 week.
okay, I want to say answer. It's not. It's depend on season. If it is summer, then we can survive not just too much. If it is winter, then we can survive so a little bit longer. It's depend on season, and every every people are unique,
Yes, you're right.
and some people who don't feel thirsty very early, and some people feel thirsty early. Then it's depend on that.
It's okay, right? Want to say something? Uh, so I like the answer. It depends, and she also mentioned beautiful points. And afterwards, she also mentioned a great point. She mentioned that it depends on the season. For example, in summer, there is a high amount of dehydration, right? So there is a possibility of a person might die within 7 days, maybe 3 days. Okay, that's great. Let us go to next other points. What are the other facts about water you would like to discuss here? Any other facts about water you know? Anyone? Yes, right. Please keep it.
A camel drink 200-liter water in 3 minutes, and 70% human brain is water. Our bodies are our bodies are mostly water.
Okay, anyone? Yes, does anyone want to say anything? Yes. Please calm down, relax. We'll edit out, okay? Don't worry about it.
So she said 2000 liter in 3 minutes,
Right.
but it is not sure.
Okay, you can say I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure that a camel drinks 200 liters of water in 3 minutes.
My God, it doesn't
It's
seem
so
like.
much water.
Yes, you're right. What is the chemical formula of water? Does anyone know here? Yes.
H2O.
Oh my God, she knows the answer. That's great. Okay. What else? What else? What else you know about water? Anyone, anything else about water you'd like to say? Last time I think we discussed a lot about water, right? Does anyone know here? Any other facts about water? Yes.
80% of diseases are spreaded by water only because the bacteria remains in water for a longer period.
Okay. 80%.
Yes.
My goodness. Okay. What are the advantages of water? Asma. Yes.
Uh, um, you know, Water is used for electricity, and we fishes also live in water, and we use water for drinking, cooking, and so much things that we use water. And we can't live without water. If we not drink water, then we can't live. And and every animal also want to drink water. uh, they also like human beings.
See, whenever we have a lot of points to say about water, you can categorize your answer. You can give a signpost. Sir, there are a lot of benefits, there are a lot of advantages of water. First of all, then you talk about. Secondly, then you talk about something. Then lastly, okay, something like that. Point number one, point number two, point number three. It would be better in my opinion. Or if you don't have a lot of points, you can say just whatever you want to say that. Okay. Anything else? Any other benefits? Yes.
It's not benefit, but it's a fact. Like water is the only one thing in earth that is present in all three forms: liquid, solid and gases, and rest of are present in two types or only in one types.
Now, I would like to ask a really crucial question. The question is, how many kinds of water do you know? You know?
Yes, 8 types of water. First, mineral water. Second, tap water. Third, well water. Fourth, alkaline water. Fourth, fourth types of water. Fourth, black water and white water. Hard water, spring water, dactylic water. And some-
Are these water or something else? Okay, that's great. I think so. Now let me ask: do you prefer tap water, filtered water, alkaline water, or white water? What kind of water do you love drinking? Give me reason. I think what kind of water? Anyone? Like filtered water, pot water, tap water, or mineral water? She mentioned, and maybe white water, right? Some celebrities also drink white water, right? So, what kind of water do you like to drink?
Say first. I'll prefer only two water, one pot water and filtered water. Because in filtered water the germs are filtered out, they are given out. And pot water, it have some minerals which our body requires, and we should drink water in copper pot or in a copper glass, because our body requires iron fillings that can be filled up by copper water.